Hey guys, it's Rich, our Jemison Timber Frame Company, main timber framer. We're using the Foley 355. We're going to sharpen some planer blades. You'll notice we've got two blades on here, and they've been sharpened before, but I don't think they were sharpened at the same time, so the lengths are a little bit different. So we've taken a pass or two, but we're going to see what we can do to straighten it out. So we've got them set up here. We've got a parallel here and a parallel here, which gives them an offset to our main fence. As you can see here, you can see we've got an angle finder, so the opposite of the 49.3, we'll call it 50, and it brings it down to a 40-degree sharpening angle. Let me set this down and take a few passes, and we'll go from there. All right, can we see what we're doing here? Sure we can. Let me buzz it right in there. There we go. Let's take a couple passes and see where we're at. We'll bring it down a hair. Let's start again. Bring it down a hair. Come right back. Take a hair more material off here. All right, let's take a look, see what they look like. Come around this side over here. Let's see if we can zero in on the edge. So this is the finish edge right here. If I can get my finger in there, show you my finger. And looks pretty good. They've got a little bit of nicking on the corner right here, you can see. But overall, we've got a pretty much perfect edge on these coming down through. There's a little material, let's see if I can sneak in here around the grinder. There's a little material right up in here and a nick, so we may take it down a little bit more. Let's take a look at the other one. So here's the other one, so it looks pretty good in the corner. Looks pretty good all the way down to the end. So because they're a match set, we'll take a little material off to see if we can't clean this up a little bit up in here. We're not going to fix that nick, obviously, and we're going to call it close enough. All right, so that's sharpening some planer blades, giving you a match set. on the Foley 355 sharpener. We've got it set, it says 49, but you have to read the opposite angle, so it's actually set at 50 degrees here, so we're really sharpening at 40 degrees. All right, give me some feedback. Click like and subscribe. Thanks, guys.